In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom in the middle to create a new one. Then customize it however you want to, by, for example, setting up an hour. Click in one of those repeat options, ring once, workdays for custom. And if you are selecting one of those, like workdays, adjusting them however you need to. Then hit alarm name to name it. Select ringtone to pick one of those options, like weather themes. Or hit on this device and tap on any song from your smartphone to apply it. Then click on this switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And last but not least, select snooze to decide if you wish to switch it off or on. And adjust how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're done adjusting your alarm, to discard it, select cancel, and to save it, hit done at the top right corner. Now to turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it, and click on one of those options in the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, make your changes, and tap on done. To get rid of it, hold it, hit delete at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!